Hi, welcome back to my channel, everyone. Self-reliant old lady here. Today it's about a new snowplow I had made. It's a $100 snowplow, and we're going to see how well it does. Hope you like it. Subscribe and like. Much appreciated. Good. Walk back further that way. Hey. It did a nice job for the amount of money I paid for it, and I was able to do my neighbor's, who's a shut-in, and there's that little piece right here I need to get it off the driveway. So I'm happy with my $100 plow. So let's take a walk and see. The lighting's pretty bad because of the dreariness of the day. But I got a lot of slush up, and it's still raining. So my hope is that I'll be able to get this down that we'll lose before it turns to ice. If not, I'll just have to put some rock salt on it. Till next time. Now some folk would say that this is bad on the truck, and it is taking some of the paint off the tailgate. However, I have a couple acres here, and I've always had a truck, and you might classify it as a work truck. I buy used ones, and the whole thing is to make my life easier. So this makes my life easier and saves money. So I'm happy with it.